guys, and welcome back to MSX Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to get the beanstalk clothes in Roblox Grow a Garden, and let's get straight into the video. So basically all you want to do is just make your way over to this corner of the map. When you start, it should be the back right. I mean, if you're on like, you know, near the sell and buy shop first, but anyways, just make your way over to corner of the map, and you will be able to purchase it. All you have to do is click on I want to join the cause, and then it should pop up the purchase icon. But the thing is that it does cost 0 Robux, so it's very easy to get, and you just purchase it. It's simply 0 Robux, and then once you actually purchase it, it automatically equips and you have it. And yeah, it's very simple. I believe if you leave and you go back to your inventory or whatever, you will also be able to see it from there as well. I mean, this is what I have right now, but if I go to customize, or if I go into the game, because it does say my avatar, so I should have it equipped, and maybe if I go into a different game as well, it'll be there as well. But for Grow a Garden at least, yep, it's still there as well. So yeah, that is basically how to unlock that outfit. You do it from getting it from Grow a Garden. And yeah, so that should be it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.